Again?
It's just me and St. Annie of the Pines.
What are we working on, Lee?
We got some final touches of St. Annie of the Pines and some amazing keyboard effects that are going to happen through your magic wah pedal.
So what are we doing? We're feeding the keyboards.
Well, I wouldn't necessarily want to give away some of our technical expertise. Well,
Through the wah.
This is the how to do it. What do you say? How did you get that keyboard effect?
And then we're gonna run it out through our beautiful Fender Deluxe reverb amplifier. And then re-record it with hopefully what is a killer sound. Mosley, what do you think? Not impressed.
Sure. Just a couple quick questions for you. What's happening right now, Sean?
Your finger's probably in the way for one.
Oh yeah. That's me giving you the finger. What is happening right now in the recording process?
We're gonna add a little EBO, a little magical EBO sound. Oh,
To what?
to St. Annie of the Pine. Oh, I'm hiding down here.
It's okay, we can find
Down
you.
here, little EBO, a satchel.
Nobody likes to show off, Sean. Nobody likes to
Right
show
now
off.
we're
I'm giving you the finger.
just testing Julian's patience.
That's the second person to give him the finger.
I'm gonna see how many layers I can add to this song, and
Before my head explodes.
Julian peaks and just.
How you feeling about the process so far?
It's like a playground in here, and we just run over to different things and just play around. So we played around with the keys, ran them through a wah pedal to get a little bit of an industrial sound out of them, get them screaming. And now we're gonna play with some EBO, and then we're gonna start breaking some glass because we need the sound of broken glass at the end of the song.
Yeah, I think we're going to Sean's to record
We're
that
gonna
part.
throw the guitar through the
Picture
sound.
window. We're gonna split Sean's picture window sound and smash it. So where would you like to start?
We could kind of do a fade in on that note.
Where you going, buddy?
He doesn't like that high pitched freaking.
Whoa.
Those little woo! I figured that is just to make it jump out so people go, oh, there's something.
That's something's
screaming.
happening. Yeah.
That's not a fire engine like about to blast by.
If they're listening to it in their car, they're going to be pulling over.
That's what I mean. We'll have fun mixing that.
It's
That's going on YouTube.
Turn that off!